Men fall in love faster than women. Women take 15 days, men just 8 seconds. Love is literally blind. It doesn't seem to matter what other people say to your lover. She is always perfect in your eyes. The more you ignore the one you like, the more you will fall for them. Heartbreak after true love is equally painful as physical pain. Love is a drug, and it is as addicting as cocaine. Once you have it, it's hard to stop it. You will always want more. People loving people of the opposite nature last for a longer period of time than loving people of a similar nature. Just by looking at the picture of your beloved one, you can feel a sense of relief. Just by looking at the picture of your beloved one, you can feel a sense of relief. Talkative girls and silent boys make the best couples. Not speaking with the one you love for more than 48 hours can make you feel homesick. Studies show that on average, a crush lasts only 4 months. If the crush still continues, it means you are in love. It takes 15 months and 27 days to forget someone you love with all your heart. When a guy likes a girl, he'll look her in the eye. When a girl likes a guy, she'll look away.